Welcome everybody. We're in Lido Beach on the south shore of Long Island. It's October 1st. We're going to a car show. It's up in the parking lot over there. We can take some photographs of some vintage cars and maybe try to meet some of the people who built them. And just spend the day getting some fresh air. We've been caught up in the house. It's been raining for the last 3-4 days in a row. Hurricane Ophelia had left us with a whole bunch of tropical moisture. So here we are at the beach checking out some antique cars. Thanks for stopping by. Here we go. That is so cool. Yeah, I know, right? Think you can make it to the Bronx in that? It's beautiful. Man. I think they call that, what, a 6-pack, I think? 3 2-barrel carburetors. Very cool. Love all the chrome. Good question. Windshield washer fluid? I don't know. Wow, look at this beauty. Woohoo! Beautiful lines. I'm loving it too. It's beautiful, isn't it? Nice. Beautiful. Man. Wow. That is a lot of motor. Good. It's all original. Oh, look at that. Good. $1967. 67. Super Sport. 396. Wow. Jua. Beautiful. Okay, that was the first row. That was the row that's right up against the beach. I just want to get to the end of this aisle and we'll start walking back the other way. You take your time, see everything today. Look at the size of this Mark III. Wow. Well, Joe would love this. I like the big Lincoln. Continental with the power headlights. I love the black on black. Isn't it awesome? 1936. Jeez, my dad was 9 years old. That's funny. Love the color. Sweet. Really sweet color. Beautiful.
My wife, I wanted to do it in red. She told me that's a gorgeous color. I have never regretted it.
The red one would have got you in trouble. This one's better.
You know what? There's more red ones now that came out of the factory. But I've only seen this color 2 other times. Galaxy, and I saw it on another Mustang 20-something years.
That is a beauty.
I've never regretted painting it this color. I love it.
Well, thanks for sharing it with us. Beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you for your service too, brother.
Thank you.
.396, 300 horsepower turbojet. Beautiful. Look at that one. So what year is this? 68 maybe? 70. 1970 Chevelle convertible. It is absolutely beautiful. Alright, this is a 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass. I love the green color. What is this? 1963 Dodge station wagon. Gorgeous. 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful. Big motor. Okay.
Oh, long time no see. Remember Jackie? Brum, brum, brum.
This is a 1971 Plymouth Duster. 346 barrel. Let's see, what do we have here? 1978 Camaro. And this is a Buick GS. Better angle out my shadow on it. I put the grr in swinger. License plate? Very cool. What do we have here? I have to assume it's a swinger, huh? 1969 Dodge. I would call it a dart, but it says swinger. I think that's just the model. I drove one of these for a while, 2-door with a slant 6. Nothing like this one. I bought it for $500 back in 1985. Yeah, I had a slant 6 in mine. The thing was all over the road. Manual steering. This is much better. What do we have here? We're just not sure. 1962 Camaro. Very nice.
We had the car certified. Well, this was back down in my road. We had a great relationship, you know what I mean? If there's something that you can think of that I can help you with, I appreciate it. You know what I mean? At least you keep it for another 3 years and it's a little bit of a piece of mind. I'm sure you're somebody that needed it, that worked so hard. You gotta dug it up.
1970, 71. 71 Duster with a 340. Beautiful color blue. ...1956 Chevy. Beautiful. .383 Stroker. Sounds dirty. 1969 Chevy Super Sport Camaro. Absolutely gorgeous. Bo, 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 bo. 1967 Chevelle. 67 was certainly a good year. Boom, 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 boom. Really? 1970 Chevy Nova with a 427. Just got to throw you back into the seat. Whoa. Boom, 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 boom. The way I do. Boom, 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 boom. Looks comfortable in that 1969 Chevy van conversion to a camper. Good. Gotta love the beach life, man. This is the... Whoa, for me, babe. What do we have here? 1973 Lotus. Very cool. Very cool. Tiny, how do you fit in there? My goodness. Only little people. We're gonna take a break here. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're enjoying this contest, give it a quick thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscription button in the corner. And don't forget to ring the bell so I can notify you of future videos. We're here at the car show today, taking pictures. Cool cars. Starsky and Hutch, Gran Torino. Look at how clean this one is. Wow. You could eat an egg off of that. That's... God. Look at the color. Yeah, I know. Especially up against the blue sky, that's gonna look gorgeous, man. That's gonna... What a power plant, man. Excellent. Perfect. I like that one. Bo, 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 bo. Ooh, look at the 280ZX. My uncle had one with T-tops. What year is this? 71? Yeah, 71. That's old. Wow. Beauty. All the 280s, huh? We'll get it on video. $70? Yeah, 70.
This is what my mother raised. Dusting.
1970 Roadrunner.
I'm sure told me it was going to be cool.
And there's a Duster. Let's see what year the Duster is. Again, another 1970 Plymouth Duster. Okay, now you're coming close to my heart. I love a nice pickup. This is a 1971 Chevy pickup. It's gorgeous. Always love that Chevy orange. Really nice. Got a little Triumph. Welcome to the UK. Watch your shadow. The beauty. Look at the interior. 1971 6-cylinder Triumph. Gorgeous. 383 Chevy. Looks like he's won some awards. Well worth it. Worthy awards. All right, look at convertible. Look how beautiful. Man. Interior's mint. Beautiful. All right, we have a 1967 Chevy El Camino. Beautiful color orange. Giant motor. Peek inside. Love the white interior on the orange color. It's beautiful. '68 Chevelle SS 396 Chevelle Malibu. Beautiful vehicle. Outstanding. More old Chevys. Another Lincoln. Wow, look at this beauty. Oh my. What do we have here? 1969 Lincoln Continental 2-door. Whoa, what a beaut. Love to travel cross country in something like this. Oldsmobile. Another Chevy convertible. Oh man, this one's gorgeous. Woo! 1970. Wow, it's like Oldsmobile. My dad never had this one, that's for sure. This is a 1972 Ford Mustang. That is some color yellow. Quick peek on the inside. Looks like an automatic. Very slick car. Thanks, Don. We're having a blast. Look long enough, you always find a couple of hippies in a VW. This is a beauty. Achtung, langsam Frankenzug. They're letting the kids honk the horns on all the municipal vehicles. Hi everybody. Well, that's the car show. We came down to the beach The car show's up there in the parking lot at the beach. I'm just going to run things up here. We saw a lot of great cars today. Got a lot of nice pictures. I hope you enjoyed looking at them. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscription button and turn on notifications so that I can send you a notice when I open up a new video. If you enjoyed this content, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow. I would appreciate it. If you have any comments or questions or memories of your days driving any one of those vehicles, please feel free to leave that in the comments. Everyone would love to hear from you.